Yeah. So I guess we can kind of move into some of the challenges that you faced. Maybe if you had like some in particular that were like your biggest ones, how you overcame them.
Sure. I think the biggest challenge initially was going to a clinic.
Mhm.
That was like number one. Number one was sort of admitting that you might have a problem, admitting that your hormone levels might not be fantastic. And then, not having experienced it yet, the other, I think, big challenge is believing that it can have such a positive impact on you. So, you don't hear until you experience the products, you don't really know what the sort of outcome is going to be. So you're sort of wondering. And then, I think some other challenges are that you have lifestyle, you get, as you get older, you get sort of set in your ways, living in Miami, going out to dinner, eating a lot, or entertaining, going out for cocktails. And so I just adjusted. I think first placing my priority, that's actually a good rule. Placing my health as the number one priority, I think was initially a challenge. And now it's something I live by. So, in Miami, there's a phrase that's like FOMO. I mean, this is everywhere, I guess, right? FOMO, fear of missing out. You don't want to miss out on this party or this event or this holiday thing or this vacation or this boating. And then you can delay making any type of positive changes to your life forever because there's always going to be something. There's always going to be a reason not to start.
Yeah.
So,
all of those just sound like excuses.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And so, getting rid of excuses, setting some goals, and, there are all these obstacles that we put in our own way, and we just have to remove all of those. And then, I would call it positioning ourselves for success.
Mm-hmm.
So just doing all of the right things. And I would say just believing that it could work, and then, placing health as the number one priority were probably the biggest challenges, I think.
Yeah, that's fair.